Uba Sanbor Julai, MLA Kalaban Constituency, but Ubadeiru Chairman Jangka Megalia Tourism and Development Corporation (MTDC). Hinnegasngi ulalit ban plepaj ba no ya ka Loghut ne ka Iing basa. Kabalatay da ka MTDC ha Orchid Resort kabadan ha Umiam Jangka Riboy District. Haba play ka Iing basa kabadeiru ka Iing kabala penmang kerpang na kabantai ki nongwan Shanghai Perthai. Hinnegasngi na kaliang Jangka MTDC kalayo ru ban pelaj ya la ka Jangka website kabala tipkum ka www.mtdcmeghalaya.com ya kabala pelaj pej ba da uba Sanbor Julai. Kita ki Iing Shang basa kibala don hadu santeli kide di Iing ding but ha kita ki santeli ki Iing kila don hadu shpau kamra ya kabala shna tagarukom kabay David kani gajuk kabamenta badru kibala yarkat ru lembat ki we ki Iing basa la ne hotel Remdor hapo kejela.
It allows for tourists to book hotel rooms at the Plie Hotel, State Convention Center, and other properties of MTDC like Orchid Lake Resort. This is to promote the Meghalaya tourism, especially the properties of MTDC, and to increase the revenue of the corporation, which will also help tourists from other states and other countries to book the hotel rooms in our properties. So that is the main objective of the meeting today. We've also launched a hotel management system that will help our hotels to monitor and to run the hotel in a more effective and efficient manner, which will be implemented in all the units in a month's time from now. We are also here, as Chairman Sir has pointed out, to open the log houses that were inaugurated earlier this year. And not only the log houses, but we have a jogging trail, we have gazebos, which are right around the property of the Orchid Lake Resort, where tourists can enjoy the beauty of the Umiam Lake here while they stay at the Orchid Lake Resort. So we hope that all these measures will not only help increase the revenue of the corporation, but it will also help to promote Meghalaya, especially this property of Orchid Lake Resort, which is a premier property of the state of Meghalaya and of the corporation, and promote them for tourists in the country and abroad. These are the main objectives of today's launch program.
We have this program, and the main program that the Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation Limited is having today here is the opening, the opening of the log house. It is ready for sale to the customer with effect from today. And number two is that today we have launched the website of the corporation of the MTDC. So this is the main program of today. And after this, the second part is that we are having, this will be the first board meeting which we have, which we have conducted here in Orchid Resort. So this is the only agenda for today. And by launching this website, it will pave way. This is for the interest of the customer, where they can book online. At the meantime, it will detect the revenue of the